a warm welcome to all the viewers. Sri M.J. Balachandar, Chairman, MVJ College of Engineering, our Principal Dr. P. Mahabaleshwarappa, Vice Principal Ma'am, HODs, parents, students, faculty members and other well-wishers and supporters of this great banyan tree, MVJ Group of Institutions. Today is a day of celebration. It is a day of joy and it is a day of thanksgiving. It is the birth anniversary of our beloved Dr. M.V. Jayaraman, founder of MVJ Group of Institutions. As always, we commemorate this day with our hearts brimming with gratitude for this great visionary, without whom none of us would be present here. We are in unprecedented times, and different time calls for a different course of action. Every year, this day is filled with zest and activity, with students, teachers, all coming together, discussing, organizing, decorating, and making numerous plans to ensure this occasion is a memorable one. But today is different. We cannot be physically together. Nonetheless, as technology has it, we are one and united in remembering this great soul who has done so much for the youth of this nation. Though we are celebrating Founders Day this year virtually, due to the pandemic, it is with fervor that we mark this momentous occasion. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 94th birth anniversary of our founder and mentor of MVJ Group of Institutions. Our founder, Dr. M.V. Jayaraman, was a visionary. Through sheer hard work, dedication and single-minded determination, he established many educational institutions during his lifetime. Today, MVJ Group of Institutions imparts a wide range of skills and knowledge. And none of this would have been possible if it wasn't for Dr. M.V. Jayaraman's firm resolve to make an impact on the world around him. He sought to deliver values and excellence in education across disciplines. Here is a tribute to reminisce the days of Sir's glorious past.
Rising from a simple life, guided by the vision and drive to make a change, inspired by the music of the Veena, Dr. M.V. Jayaraman was nothing short of a miracle maker. As a young boy, he was raised in an agricultural household, but his simplicity and humility did not restrict his passion. He grew up watching education to be a class privilege, and he knew that times must change. Just as independent India woke to a new dawn, Dr. M.V. Jayaraman worked towards a strong academic foundation for himself. He graduated from the Tamil College in Thirupananthalam. He taught Tamil and music in Kumbakonam, Trichy, Tiruvarur, Madras, Kollegal in Mysore and in Bangalore. Supported by a meager salary of 140 rupees a month, he worked as a Tamil teacher in the Methodist Mission High School in Bangalore. Dr. M.V. Jayaraman dreamt of equal reach in education to create a level playing field for all. Unlike the times he grew up in, he wanted to do away with the caste discrimination by the upliftment of the underprivileged through the power of education. He brought his vision to life, beating the odds, and the visionary Dr. M.V. Jayaraman founded Venkatesha Education Society in 1970, using borrowed funds and hard work. With the years of credibility he had already built for himself. The first teacher training college, Venkatesha TCH College, was created in 1971. This also saw the inception of many more institutions for the years to come, granting certifications to hundreds of teachers and allowing a rising wave of students to follow their academic dreams. This eventually led to the creation of 1982 MVJ College of Engineering, 1985 MVJ Polytechnic, 1993 MVJ Institute of Nursing. Despite a long list of achievements to his credit, Dr. M.V. Jayaraman enjoyed the simple life. Music was his constant companion, and the beauty with which he played the Veena is revered even today. His simplicity, artistic ability, compassion, and immense achievements won him many admirers. He was recognized as a Senthamil Selvar, Tamil scholar, awarded the Kalvi Kavala, Guardian of Education, and Tirupani Chemmar, devotee dedicated to God's work. Other such awards were E.L. Isai Mamani, an authority in poetry and music, Dharmarakshamani, philanthropist par excellence. Betterment of the world around him came as a second nature, and he wished for his work and teachings to live long after him. Dr. M.V. Jayaraman lives today through the empire he built and the lives he touched. His teachings and values have spread far and wide with the army of well-equipped young adults that the MVJ institutions have sent into the world. He lives today through his values, through his teachings, and his endless good work. The music from the Veena, even today, invites fond memories of this Sendamil Selvar.
We now have a speech by our principal, Dr. P. Mahabaleshwarappa.
On behalf of the management of our institution, on behalf of the MVJ College of Engineering, today I am extremely happy to welcome all the participant dignitaries, professors, head of the departments, faculty members, staff members and the students to this momentous occasion of celebrating our Founders Day.
It is the founder's birth anniversary of my elder brother.
The true legend, Dr. M.V. Jayaraman.
Because of his dedication for the education. He was a very, very simple man.
He was a man with a great vision for this country and for our society. The very initiative of starting an education institution was to empower the individuals, through empowering individuals, empowering the entire society and the country.
And the life story of Jayaraman, what inspires, should inspire all of you who are going to see a big future.
The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Success has a very straightforward price: hard work, determination, and dedication to the job at hand. On this auspicious day, it is only fair to commemorate our founders' legacy by awarding those that outdid not just others, but more importantly, outdid themselves.
I wasn't expecting it this time because of all the pandemic situation.
Getting a 7th rank in VTU, it was like totally unexpected, and this was like totally a surprise for me, and I'm not able to believe at right this moment also.
There were some point of time where I had lost my hope, but I never gave up. With all my efforts, today I'm very happy.
I had topped in my departments for the 5th semester or the previous session or previous year.
I'm extremely grateful for receiving this award for the 4th time.
I've received the award for being the topper this year. This is the 2nd year I'm receiving this award for, so it's really great. Last year was definitely a motivation to work hard this year too.
Once I got into college and after my first semester I again became the topper.
Ever since I was younger, my motivation has always just been to study how much ever I can and do my best.
In my personal life, I look up to Rahul Dravid. Actually, the type of person he is, the humility he brings, I think, and the gentleman, cricket's gentleman we call him, and I actually like it about it.
I make it a point to pay attention in class because then it becomes much easier to prepare for the exams, and it makes you understand the concepts better rather than when you try to do it on your own.
I thought I have to give justification for my own life. From there I started. I never looked back. I never stopped. With all my hard work and determination, I topped in all my UG subjects and carried that to PG.
Which wouldn't have been possible without the constant support and encouragement of my lecturers.
I also thank all my faculties of mechanical department for providing a constant guidance proper guidance throughout.
Failure is first step to success. I truly believe in that. When we have lost something in our life, it's always a better choice to start or begin our life from where we have lost.
My family, who've always been there for me, motivating me and uplifting my spirits. So I'd like to thank each and every one of them for being with me in this journey.
The legacy continues.
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 And the legacy continues.
On behalf of the entire MVJC family, I would once again like to congratulate all the prize winners. The effort all of you have put in is never unnoticed. The digital camera ingrained into the digital gold mine we have in our pockets is a great invention because it allows us to reminisce. Our pictures are our footprints. It's the best way to tell people we were here. 2 weeks ago, we asked you all to submit a photo with the caption or a story, capturing a moment you dearly held, to reminisce the life at MVJ, the college life all of us had pre-pandemic. Presenting to you a video montage made from the selected submissions submitted by the students of MVJC. Enjoy. A pessimist complains about the wind, an optimist tries to change it, and a leader adjusts the sails. The sails for this event have been well adjusted. The leader within us has taken charge, and now it's time to seize the day. Carpe diem. and head in the direction which we believe is right. I would like to thank all those who have been watching this virtual celebration of our Founders Day and paying their respects to our founder. First and foremost, a big thanks to all the parents out there, without whose cooperation we students would have found it extremely difficult to tread the path shown by our founder. Our dear alumni, thank you. You have always been there for us and kept the MVJ flag flying high, wherever you are. And of course, thank you dear students and faculty members who will always be the pillars of our college. We will surely meet in better circumstances in 2022 to once again celebrate the life of our founder. I am Akhil Bobby and it was a pleasure being your host. Thank you.